People say to me all the time, Jeff, do you really film your Photowalks TV episodes with just an iPhone? Well, yeah, I do. The video quality is really as good as a big camera, I tell them, and I'm going to prove it to you today. Now, we're talking most of the time, we're talking about good light, and of course the iPhone does a yeoman's job as a light, versatile alternative to running around with big gear. But how do the two really compare back to back? What am I losing by using the iPhone as my main video camera? Well, the positives outweigh the negatives in most instances, and I'd like to show you two good examples right here to prove my point. First, let's take a look at back-to-back 4K footage shot on an iPhone 14 Pro Max in cinematic mode and a Canon R6 mirrorless with a 24-70mm lens. Canon, $4,500. iPhone, just over $1,000. Roll the tape, please. Okay, the battle of the mirrorless camera versus the iPhone. Which video looks better? Bailey in Canon, Bailey on the iPhone. Can you tell? Bailey, let's switch for a second. Who's on a Canon and who's on an iPhone? Bailey, what do you think? Now, this was in good afternoon light, and I think you can see that the iPhone was as good, if not just a little brighter, than the R6. Probably wouldn't have been as good in the evening. But look at how far we've come in just a few years, and you can only imagine how much even better it's going to look down the road. But for today, when someone says to you, oh, it's just cell phone footage, you now can say, yeah, and doesn't it look really great? I'm Jefferson Graham. Stay tuned to the Photowalks TV channel for more episodes, which are coming right up.